How to transfer money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. The most important thing to know right off the bat is that Cash App only supports the native Bitcoin network. You cannot send things like Ethereum, BNB, or Solana straight there, or it will be lost forever. You have to convert it to Bitcoin first. First up, let's grab your unique deposit link. Open your Cash App and look at the navigation bar at the very bottom. On the far left, tap that little bank or money icon. Next, click on the Bitcoin tab. Scroll down a tiny bit until you see the option that says Deposit Bitcoin, then copy your Bitcoin address from Cash App. Awesome. Now let's swap over to Trust Wallet. Remember how I said Cash App only takes Bitcoin? If your funds are currently sitting in something else like Polygon or Ethereum, we need to convert them right now. Look at the bottom navigation dock and tap on Swap at the bottom. Then swap your cryptocurrency to Bitcoin. Once your balance updates into Bitcoin, tap the Home icon at the bottom left to return to your main dashboard. Click directly on your Bitcoin row and then hit that big Send button. Now you're looking at the input screen. In the first box labeled Address or Domain Name, simply tap Paste to pop in that exact address we grabbed from Cash App earlier. Double-check that the first few and last few letters match perfectly just to be absolutely safe. Next, type in the exact Bitcoin amount you want to move over, or just hit Max if you're emptying it out. Hit Next at the bottom, look over the final network transaction fee, and tap Confirm to finalize the transaction. And that's all it takes. Now your crypto is officially on its way. If you also want to know how to fund your account instantly using cash instead of crypto, click right here to watch my guide on how to transfer money to Cash App from a debit card. See you over there.